Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing multiplication. We will be understanding how to multiply certain numbers like two-digit numbers with one-digit number or three-digit numbers with one-digit number. So let's begin with the video. Okay, so let's take one question first. Let me take one question which is 21 multiplied by 3. So here what we see that 21 is a two digit number and 3 is a one digit number. So we are multiplying two digit number with a one digit number. In two digit numbers we know we have two places, that is digit is at the ones place and the other digit is at the tens place. So we have to put the numbers under the correct place values. So first of all we will write the place values, that is tens and ones. We will write 21 like this ki 2 is at the tens place and 1 is at the ones place. Then we will write 3 under 21 in the second row, and 3 is only having a one digit, so it is at the ones place. We will write it like this and then we will put a multiplication sign. Now how do we multiply a two digit number with a one digit number? We have already seen when we do addition, subtraction, we always write it like this ki we have to write correct places under the correct place value, and then we put the sign of addition or subtraction in case of addition and subtraction respectively. But in case of multiplication we do it the same way, but we put the sign of multiplication. Now the question is ki how do we multiply? We multiply like this. First we have rows here. You can see that there are two rows. In the first row there is 21 and in the second row there is 3. So how do we multiply is we multiply the second row, that is the row in which the 3 is written. We multiply this row with the row above it. We have to multiply like this. So in the below row we only have one number, one digit, that is 3. So we will multiply 3 by 1 and then we will multiply 3 by 2 also. So we have to cover each and every number in the first row. ठीक है, तो हमें सेकेंड रो के नंबर से फर्स्ट रो के नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड वी हैव टू कवर ईच एंड एवरी नंबर इन द फर्स्ट रो. So we will multiply 3 ones are, we know 3 ones are is 3 and 3 twos are 6. So we get the answer as 63. Now because you have understood this question, let's do one more question. Now the question I'll give you is 34 multiplied by 2. First pause the video and try it yourself. Then I will do it with you and you can check your answer. So let me do it for you. We will write the correct digits at the correct place values under the correct place values like this. Then we have to multiply the second row with the first row. So in the second row we have 2. So we will multiply 2 with 4 first. So 2 fours is 8 and then I will multiply 2 3. 2 2 and 3. So 2 threes is 6. I hope this is very easy for you and you have understood it very clearly. Now let's take an example of 3-digit number and 1-digit number. So we will be multiplying a 3-digit number with a 1-digit number. So let me take an example as 231 multiplied by 3. Again the same way we have to follow the same steps. We have to write the correct digits under the correct place values. So first of all I will put the place values. Now here there is now digits till hundreds place, है ना, ones, tens and hundreds. 2 is at the hundreds place, 3 is at the tens place and ones at ones place there is 1. Also we will write multiplication sign and 3 will come at the ones place. This is very easy. Then you have to multiply the second row with the first row. Second row mein there is only one number, one digit, that is 3. You have to multiply 3 with the first row and you have to cover each and every digit in the first row. So what we are going to do is we will multiply 3 and 1 first. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. So we get our answer as 693. Now I'll give you one question for you to do yourself. You can pause the video and do this question on your own first. The question is 442 multiply by 2. So what we do is first we put the correct digits under the correct place values, that is 4, 4 and 2. Then we will multiply it with 2. What we are going to do is first we have to multiply the 2 in the row second with the numbers in the row first. So we will multiply this 2 with each and every number in the first row. So 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. So our answer comes to be 884. I hope this is very much clear to you. If not, you can see this video again, so it will be clear to you. Now let's take one example in which there is slight difference from what we have done in this video earlier. So let me take one example for you of 2 digit and 1 digit. The question is 34 multiplied by 7. Now here again you have to follow the same steps. You have to write the correct digit under the correct place value, that is tens and ones. 3 will come under the tens place, 4 will come under the ones place, and you have to multiply it with 7 like this. So what we do is in this we'll just multiply the second row with the first row and we have to cover each and every digit in the first row. So first we will multiply 7 and 4. What will 7 fours are is equals to 7 fours are 28. Now here is the problem which arises in front of us. Like here we got a 2-digit number. When we get a 2-digit number, we cannot write 28 here. No, this is very much wrong. So what you have to do in place of this? You have to write the ones digit of this 28 here and you have to take this digit here as carry forward. You have to carry it to the next digit. Then again you will follow the same step we followed earlier. Like 7 threes is 21 and you have to add this carry forward plus 2. So you will get 23. You have to put this 23 here. So you get the answer as 238. I hope this is very much clear to you. Now let me take one more example of a 3-digit number with 1-digit number. Okay. So now the question is 247 multiplied by 5. Again I will write the correct digits and the correct place values. 247 multiplied by 5. So first I will multiply 5 with 7, then 4, then 2. We have to multiply 5 with each and every digit in the first row. So 5 sevens is 35. But again we got 2 digits. We cannot write 2 digits here. So we will write the ones digit here and the tens digit we will carry forward to 4. Then we have to do 5 fours are. 5 fours is 20 and we have to add this 3 as carry. So we will get 23. Again we got 2 digits. We cannot write 2 digits here. We will write 3 here and 2 we will again carry. Then we will multiply 5 and 2. 5 twos are 10 and we will carry 2. we will add this 2 here, we'll get 12. So the answer will be 1235. I hope these concepts are very much clear to you, and these are very basic things. So if there is any doubt, you can put your doubts in the comment section, or you can mail it to me on my mail ID, and mail ID is also mentioned in the description below. So thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in the next video. Bye everyone. Take care.